Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Every serious solar operator has a folder full of defects that never became a proper warranty claim. Not because the defect wasn't real, not because the evidence didn't exist, but because there was never enough time to assemble everything required to build a manufacturer-grade case. Somewhere in your organization, there are hot spots that were documented, PID signatures that were identified, cracked backsheets that were photographed, and underperforming strings that were flagged. Yet many of those findings never moved beyond a screenshot sitting in a folder, and every one of those abandoned claims represents money left on the table. Spotting defects is no longer the bottleneck. Drones capture thermal anomalies. IV curve testing reveals electrical degradation. Monitoring systems expose performance losses. Engineers can recognize signs of module failures and other warranty issues quickly. The challenge begins after detection. Manufacturers want evidence, timestamps, and operating history. They want IV traces, thermal imagery, performance comparisons, and site records. Someone then has to organize cross-reference warranty language, prepare files, and submit the claim. That administrative burden is where most claims stall. ClearSpot's AI agents change the process at that exact point. The agent can automatically gather supporting evidence for warranty claims. Relevant thermal images are collected and temperature maps organized. IV curve behavior is linked to affected assets and historical data is attached. The system can identify applicable warranty provisions and connect evidence to the warranty language. Instead of a blank page, the agent assembles the claim foundation automatically. It drafts the email, pre-fills claim documentation, and creates the supporting package. It can open a work order or ticket within the CMMS workflow. The engineer remains in control while their role shifts to technical review. Instead of hours gathering evidence, they spend minutes validating and approving submissions. That shift directly impacts economics and recovery rates. Countless marginal defects become recoverable opportunities when administration is easier. Improvements translate into reductions in operating expenses and gains in asset performance value. Those gains are achieved without hiring more staff because the agent performs repetitive legwork. If your organization has more screenshots than successful recoveries, the process may be backwards. Valuable evidence is being collected, but administrative burden prevents action. That is why we created the Warranty Automation Kit. It combines workflows, templates, and agent prompts that power our internal warranty process. If you want to see how an agent would build and pre-draft your next warranty submission, visit the ClearSpot demo page. Bring your favorite defect that never made it to submission, and we will show you how an AI agent turns it into a complete evidence-backed warranty case. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.